students, welcome back for your mathematics class. In today's class, let us start the next chapter, that is integers, right? Now, before going to start the integers, let us know some collection of numbers here. What they are called, let us learn them. Here, if I am having the collection of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, right? There is no end. If I am having such type of numbers, collection of such type of numbers means these numbers are called as natural numbers. These numbers are called as natural numbers. We write them as like this, okay? And we denote it by capital letter N. We denote it by the capital letter N, right? And if I'm having the collection of numbers with 0 means you can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. There are so many numbers including 0, right? Then this type of collection, it is called as whole number. It is called as whole number. We denote it by W. We denote it by W. Okay. Now, and if I am having a collection of all negative numbers means the numbers which having minus sign. It may be -1, or you know that 0 will not having plus or negative sign, right? It is a neutral. 0, -1, -2, -3, so on, right? So this type of numbers, right? These type of numbers are called as here negative numbers. These are called as negative numbers. Once again I will repeat, negative numbers means the numbers which are having negative sign. The numbers which are having negative sign, such type of numbers are called as here negative numbers. Okay. Now what are integers? Now we'll begin what are integers. Okay, next we will study what are integers. Here integers means it is a collection of natural number, whole number and negative numbers, right? It is a collection of natural number, whole number and negative numbers. So we'll write here integers. Natural numbers will write 1, 2, 3. Whole number means if I add 0 to the natural number, I will get whole number. Okay. Now, and also negative integers. Negative means -1, -2, -3. These are what? Integers. Integers are nothing but it is a collection of natural numbers, whole numbers and negative numbers. Such type of collection is called as integers, and we denote integers by I. We denote it by I or a Z. Okay, we denote it by I or a Z. Once again we will recall what are natural numbers, whole numbers, negative numbers and integers. Natural numbers means it is a collection of numbers which having or which starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. There can be many numbers, right? And whole numbers means if I add 0 to a natural number means, or you can say it is also a collection of numbers which having 0, right? There are the two ways to say a whole number. First way is if I add 0 to a natural number, then we get a whole number, right? That is first. Second way is it is a collection of numbers from 0 to so on, so many numbers, right? So such type of collection of numbers are called as here whole numbers. Negative numbers means negative signs, the numbers which having negative signs. Such type of numbers are called as negative numbers. Integers means it having natural number, whole number and negative numbers. Such type of collection of numbers are called as here integers. Students, one thing you should note that the negative numbers will be always less than the 0. Every negative numbers will be less than the 0 here. We'll see how it is. We'll write a statement here. Negative numbers are smaller or less than 0. They will be always smaller or lesser than the 0. We'll consider one example. Thermometer is an example for the integers which having negative numbers. There we can also measure what? Negative temperature, positive temperature and normal temperature also. Normal temperature means what, students? Here let us draw the diagram of thermometer. Let us imagine this is the thermometer here. Now you can see, you can also observe that in the thermometer there will be one red fluid or some silver fluid, isn't it? Now if the temperature is something showing somewhere minus degree, means it will be here pointing towards -1, isn't it? This is the -1, -2, -3, isn't it? Now normal temperature means what? It will be pointing towards the 0. And if it is positive, or today let us take the summer season, the climate will be very hot, or at that time it will be pointing towards somewhere up 22 degrees, 17 degree, isn't it? Till here I have 4 degree, right? It will be showing, right? Isn't it? So there we will use what? Integers. Negative integers means which shows below, right? Which shows below the 0. Positive numbers means above the 0, right? This is 0. The numbers which are above the 0, these are positive numbers. The numbers which are below, these are what here? Negative numbers, right? Here as I told, the negative numbers are smaller than 0, because this is why the negative numbers will be always smaller than the 0. Or one more example you can take. If this is the water level, right? If this is the water level and this is the boat, and this above the water level, above, as I told, above means it will be positive, okay? It will be positive numbers, means above the numbers which are starts from 1, and below the water level, level means the numbers will be in a negative. The water level will be considered as 0, right? Above will be considered as positive, below will be considered as the negative. This is about this is about integers. Next we will learn how to represent integers on the number line. So we'll consider here a number line. As you all know what is a number line, right? This is the number line. The number line, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is -1, -2, -3, -4. We can observe that, students, the numbers right to the 0, the numbers which are present right to the 0, those numbers will be the positive numbers. Those numbers will be the positive numbers. And the numbers which are present left to the 0, those numbers are negative numbers, isn't it? Right? I will write here. These are positive numbers. These are negative numbers. Okay. Once again I will repeat. The numbers which are present right to the 0, those numbers are called as positive numbers. Those numbers will be, or you can say those numbers will be positive numbers. And the numbers which are present left to the 0, those numbers are negative numbers. Here, if I want to mark a point, number to the at a number 2, which number I want to mark the point for the plus 2 number. Plus 2 number means, as I told, positive number, right? Positive number means here. Plus 2 it is here. So I will mark the point here, right? If I want to mark a point for negative numbers, we'll take -4. If I want to mark a number, if I want to mark a point for the -4 means we need to move the 4 step. We need to move 4 steps from the 0, that too in left side. Left side means this side, isn't it? Where is -4? 1 step, 2 step, from here to 1, 2, 3, 4 step. Here we got what? A point, -4 point. If we want to mark negative points means we need to move leftwards from the 0. Or if we want to mark the point in a positive number means we need to move in the right side from the 0. This is about a number line. We'll consider one more example here for a number line. If I want to move plus 3 steps. Plus 3 steps means here from 0 we need to move, right? That too in a right side. Right side means like this. I want to move 3 steps. Plus 3 steps means 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, right? Here are you all getting? Plus 3 we got here, isn't it? Now this is the point. Next, if I want to move -5 steps. -5 steps means, minus means we should move from 0 to the left side. That is from here. 1 step, 2 step, 3, 4 and 5. Right? Here we are getting. I moved -5 steps from the 0. This is how we need to mark a numbers on the number line. Next we will solve examples. Students, you can also observe that when we move right side, we are getting a greater numbers, isn't it? 1 is greater than the 0 and 2 is greater than the 1 and also 2 is greater than the 0, isn't it? What? 2 is greater than 0 and also 2 is greater than 1, isn't it? And 3 is also greater than 0, 3 is greater than 1 and 3 is greater than 2, isn't it? So when we move right side from the 0, the number will get increases. The numbers will get increases. So I will write here, when we move right side from the 0, the number will get increases. Right? And when we move left side from the 0 means, we can see here it is -1. As I told, the negative numbers will be smaller than the 0. Yes, so the -1 will be smaller than 0. And -2, again -2 will be smaller than 0 and also -2 will be smaller than -1. Means that when we move left side from the 0, the numbers will start decreasing. The numbers will start decreasing. So we'll write here decreases. S decreases. These are the points you should remember. Next we will solve exercise 6.1. First main 6.1 from exercise 6.1. Write opposite of the following. Here we need to write the opposite. Increase in weight. Opposite of increase is decrease, right? So we need to write here opposite they have told. So opposite of increase will be decrease, decrease in weight. So the answer will be, solution will be decrease. decrease in weight, right? And B1, 30 kilometer north. Opposite direction for the north is south, isn't it? So 30 kilometer south. And east, opposite direction to the east is west. So we'll write here 80 kilometer west, 80 meter west. And D1, loss of rupees 700. Loss means he has lost of rupees 700. Then opposite word of loss is gain, or you can write profit also, right? So we'll write here profit of rupees 700. Okay. Then E1, above 100 meter above sea level. Above they have told, opposite word of above is below. So 100 meter below sea level, right? This is about first main. We'll move for the second main. Second main, represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. Here they have given in a words, means verbal form, right? Now we write it into a, now we must write it in a number, means integer form with the appropriate sign. Appropriate sign means positive, plus sign, or a minus sign, right? So we'll begin the solution. First one, A, that is an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Here this is the ground. Let us take, this is the ground. The aeroplane is flying where? It is flying above the ground. How much meter height? In how much height? Meter of height? In 2000 meter height. It is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground, right? Above the ground means it will be positive. As I told, above means positive, below means negative, right? So above means negative. So we'll write here 2000. Above they have said no, so we need to write plus sign. We have written, expressed this in a following as a integer. In integer also we have expressed with the appropriate sign. Then similarly, second one, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. There is a submarine which is moving below. This is the water level which is moving below the what? Water level of depth. How many? 800 meter. 800 meter below it is moving, isn't it? Below means negative sign. So we'll write here solution as negative sign, 800 meter. And here also it is meter, right? Then C1, a deposit of rupees 200. A deposit means to add. I am going to adding a rupees of 200. Adding means plus or not. So we'll write here solution. How much I am adding? 200 rupees I am adding, means that is plus. Deposit means plus. Then D1, solution, withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal of rupees 700, right? Withdrawal means what? Removing. Removing an amount of rupees 700. Means removing means minus sign. How much I am removing? 700 rupees. 700 rupees. Here also I have deposited 200 rupees, right? This is about the second main. We'll move for the third main. Third main, represent the following numbers on the number line. Here to represent the plus 5 on the number line. We need to draw a number line. Here I am going to draw a number line. While drawing, use pencil. Here I am using pen. Right, now we need to mark a point for every 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means here 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, right? Till here. Now here they have asked us plus 5, right? So we'll mark these points. We'll take 0 somewhere here else. Here I'm going to take the 0. Then plus 5 means 1, 2. Positive numbers. Plus 5 means positive numbers. They will be always right to the 0, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And here what they have asked us, we need to mark a plus 5 on the number line, right? And also the number line will be having negative numbers also, 3 and 4. We need to mark the 5 on the number line. So this is the 5. So I will mark like this. Use pencil while drawing, right? This is plus 5. You can see here 1, 2, 3, sorry, from here no, I have marked it wrong. From here it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not this. From here I have marked plus 5. Similarly, B1 minus 10. Second one is minus 10 it is, right? So we'll mark a point and we'll take a point for every 1 centimeter, right? Now here we want minus 10, right? We can also take more points. There is no problem. We can also mark more points. So we'll start from here so that we can get more points. 0, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and this is 11, right? Don't bother about the right side because they have asked us to mark minus 10, right? So we'll concentrate only on the minus side. So here it is 1, 2. Now here what they have asked us to mark, minus 10. Minus 10 is here, means we should move 10 steps from the 0 towards the left. Means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you can mark like this or like this also, right? Minus 10 is here. Then D1, C1. Here I have already drawn a number line. Now I will mark a point on it. As I told, here we want positive numbers, right? So don't worry about the negative numbers. We'll start it from here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is minus 1. Right? Here they have asked us to mark plus 8 on the number line. So we'll move 8 steps from the 0 towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means here. We got here 8, isn't it? So this is the plus 8 marking. Then D1 minus 1. Here I have taken the number line. We'll mark points. Here they have asked us to mark minus 1, right? So we can take more numbers or we can stop it for the minus 1 also. Here also, as I told, we can take more than plus 8 or we can stop it for 8 also. But we cannot take less than 8 because we need to mark 8 here. Now I am going to take from here 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2. We need to mark -1, right? So -1 is here. That is this point. E1 is homework for you. Do it yourself. We'll move for the fourth main in the next class.